No, I'm
trust
not
me.
dealing with
I'm
these
telling
women at
you.
all. But I
I'm
throw
telling
that
you.
out there. I
Yeah,
throw that
listen to
out
me.
there
Listen to
because
me. Listen.
these
Listen to
women
what I'm
want
about
to
to tell
abuse
you.
y'all. But I
No,
still
you
won't go
no.
no
Guess
fuck
what? The
over
AI
a
is about to abuse
chromatic.
you. Listen. We are coming into an age where all you have to do is put your phone up to a digital bitch, and she's gonna do whatever you want, sir. And it's gonna take it straight
Walk
out of your
in the
I
account.
let
QR
y'all.
code.
No,
Scan
no,
that
It's,
no.
QR
it's,
code.
And
it's
that's
gonna
when
be a
I.
QR code,
That's what.
and you're not even gonna see the QR code. You're just gonna scan her eye, and she's gonna be, and then the robot's gonna get on its knees and give you fellatio, and it's gonna be
Okay,
moist,
but see, that's what
and you're gonna
y'all are
love
gonna do,
it.
and that's when I will
No.
prevail
You're gonna
and
do it
get into the
too because you're
business
gonna be
of
tired of
selling
dealing with this.
robots. No, that's when I
No,
will get in.
You are the robot
The
at that
more you
point.
look, you'll do me a good service. The more that you don't want human females, there will be more for me. So now, the next time they come out with the PPP loan, I buy 1,000 robots and I will sell them to you. Now you leave the bitches
So,
alone.
so
When
you
you
want to
leaving the
commit a
bitches
federal
alone,
crime to get robot
yeah.
pussies to sell robot pussies?
And
What
get
kind of
what?
next age pimping is this? This is amazing. Keep going.
And look, I still like that human smell. You know when they
Oh, they're
bust
gonna have
one,
that for you too. You ever seen Scratch and Sniff?
when they bust one and
I
it
know you.
smell like
I know you
Chick-fil-A.
remember. Hold on. I know
Look,
you remember
uh-uh,
Scratch and Sniff markers. They made that shit
look,
smell like pizza, licorice, whatever the fuck you
okay,
want. You think they
yeah,
can't make Scratch and Sniff robot pussy?
okay.
Come on.
I don't want that scratch and sniff. If
This
you've
Yes,
is
been
you
material
drinking
science
Don
PhD. They're
Julio,
gonna make
eating
like the
hot, look,
silicon
if
do.
you've been,
females have pheromones
if
on
you've
them.
been drink, if you've been
Yes, you
drinking
do.
Don Julio, eating hot chips
Wait,
and cracking crab legs, I
that's
want that
it.
real feeling.
Drink a
I'm
weekend
like Ray Charles. You got the right one, baby. Ain't nothing wrong.
tequila. You niggas bought into it because it sounds coolio, Don Julio, Acafulio. That shit's trash. You're gonna be drunk. That AI pussy's gonna swoop up on you. It's gonna hit that fucking Apple Pay, and you're gonna get the best pleasure that you've had in
I
years.
don't want
You're
no
gonna forget about all of
T1000 in
this.
my goddamn room.
Yes, you
Look,
are. Yes, you are.
because look, if it
That
goes
nigga
sentient,
do
if it
everything
goes
you wish.
sentient, listen what I'm saying. If it goes sentient, when you disagree with it, that motherfucker gonna AI generate a police call, and what's gonna
How?
happen is you ain't gonna even know it.
How?
You ain't gonna
How?
even know it. It's gonna
How?
be done through the brain, through that
How?
brain,
Yeah, your brain. Yeah, because you're
through
gonna
the
have a
brain.
link chip. It's not gonna be
Yeah,
called.
get what?
Yeah, yeah,
And that
you're,
motherfucker gonna be
you're,
linked to the flock cameras and everything.
you're,
It's gonna
you,
be
you,
visually seeing everything you
you're,
doing. Look,
King Rooster, you don't even understand. You're being programmed right now. How much time have you spent just
I'm
this
not
week? It's
being
Wednesday.
programmed.
Listen, sir, wait 1 second. How much time have you spent on panels just this week from Monday to today? Just give me a rough
Man,
estimate.
look, I'm serving my purpose. I was born to piss the world off. I do this shit.
And guess what? The robots are coming for that get that lick back, nigga. And you're gonna like
Okay,
it.
and
You
I'll
like
be
it.
dead and go on my way to see
You ain't
Jesus
gonna be
before they do.
dead. You're gonna be like, what in the hell is going on? Think about
Now,
the
no,
devices that you use. If your Wi-Fi turned off right now, what would you do, King Rooster? What would you
shit,
do?
I go outside and shoot BB guns and kill squirrels or
For
do
how
some other
long? For how
recreational shit.
long, sir? Before you want to get on another panel? For how long?
Man, look,
Exactly.
I've been in these spaces for 5 to 6 years.
And that's
I
plenty
have
of
never
time for you
asked.
to be ready
I
to
have
fucking
never
go. I'm
no.
trying to tell you,
Why
it's
would I
coming.
look? Why would I?
It's
Why would
coming.
I try to build? Look, why would I build a channel when I have been paying attention to
You need to build a
the
channel. The channel,
processes
you
of
are
what
the
people
channel. See,
have been
this is what
going
you,
through, bro?
the blacks don't understand.
Look, I've
Listen,
been looking at the behavior patterns. Know what I use these
yes,
channels to do? I
you
use these channels to show my people what not to get into. I
okay,
say, look at
but
all these grown people that think
but
like
yet
this,
you're who,
and
sir?
you are the people that I look.
Save
Not
the
saying
squirrels.
you,
Yeah,
but you
save,
are the
save the
people to
squirrels.
when World War III happens, we have to stay away from around you, motherfucker. No, I'm not saying these people on this panel.
Sir,
I'm
this is a
saying the
battle
ways
of
of
your
thinking,
mind, sir.
bro.
You've already
Look,
lost World War III.
a lot of you
You
people
don't
out here,
realize it.
you are easily programmed. You
Sheep,
are you
you
won't even
are
say no.
programmed.
Y'all won't even say no to the person that send you a $2 cash app.
Guess
Do
what?
you think
I don't
when
have not accepted
when
$1 from
Iran
anybody.
drop a bomb on this mother, you think I want to be around any
Sir,
one
you
of
are
you
in an
people?
information war and you've
Shit,
already lost. You're black and you're like 10 to 15 years behind. You don't even
black.
realize it.
I ain't never been black. What the
Sir,
hell are you talking about? I
well,
ain't never been
you
black.
don't count.
Where you get
Sir,
that from?
listen.
They lied to you.
Listening to your
Who you get that black
articulation,
shit
sir.
from?
You're backed
Black is a
by
mindset.